9 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Monday. What? Southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Juneau Borough. When? From noon to 9 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should use caution when outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. Use caution if you must drive. Ensure boats and aircraft are properly secured.